G'day guys, it's Tom here with MYT Solar. Another install video today. We have a 24 RLS from Outdoors RV. This customer went with the 1000 watts of solar from the factory, which we are going to recommend that if you want a substantial system, you generally don't opt with the factory solar, maxing out the factory solar. Rather order it with the minimum, and we can come in and put our solar in, go above 1000 watts and just put 1000 watts of better solar into these rigs. 990 amp hours of lithium battery, Victron batteries, a whole Victron system, the touch 70 screen and all the goodies. And one little piece which we're excited about. I'll show you in a second. All right, stepping into this 24 RLS, you'll see some pretty familiar stuff. Obviously we have the bigger bed design, it's not a backcountry series. 3 of the 330 amp hour Victron lithium batteries. The customer said leave room for a fourth. He would just have to shuffle the straps over and there would be room for a fourth, and still having the clearance with the multi-plus 4 batteries would be great. With the 1000 watts on the roof from the factory, there's going to be 2 runs of cable down, so we're bringing that into our 2 MPPT 150s. Over here we've got our Lynx Smart BMS, a Lynx distributor. Down there is our Smart Battery Protect. That little guy is going to make sure that the Victron system is controlling the 12 volt inside the RV, and that thing leaving a light on or running the furnace isn't going to pull these lithium batteries down further than they need to be drawn, because everything else is a Victron product. So everything else is directly speaking and controlled by the BMS. That little device makes sure that now also the Outdoors RV side of things is controlled by the BMS as well, in a way. Serbo GX, the touch 70 screen. And then this little guy right here, so small you might have missed it, that is the new Orion XS. That is the 50 amp DC to DC charger. It's really quite amazing what they've done with this product compared to how big the 30 amp chargers were. So the 30 amp Orions were about as big as those MPPTs right there. This is now a 50 amp Orion. We're going to basically get, when the truck is running, we've wired it in an Anderson connector for the customer here. When the truck is running, as well as what's on the roof, they're going to get a fixed 700 watts continuous output from their truck back to the Victron system. It's hooked up with VE Direct. It's all connected to the Victron system, so it's going to deliver these batteries exactly what they need from the truck, rather than relying on the 7-pin connector. He's got a direct charge line from his truck back to his trailer, which is super exciting. The screen we have in here, customer wanted it mounted kind of high because they plan to put a calendar on this wall, so it's a little higher than normal, but room for that calendar. Right now we're inverting. I'm going to turn the air conditioner off because it's 82 degrees inside the trailer. Because it's 82 degrees inside the trailer here. And we'll see up on our touch 70 screen here, we've got our AC loads. I know the compressor is running because the compressor is about 1000. This is a 300 watt fan from the air conditioner, so we know the air conditioner is running. We can see that we're currently inverting. We're not plugged in. Batteries are at 96%. Solar's not doing so great. It's kind of the end of the day here, and we're running that air conditioner from the batteries, which is awesome. I talked about it before, but the time to go feature here on the BMS means that we can see, based on the current conditions, how much AC runtime we have. And obviously there's not a lot of solar right now, but pretty nice feature. Got to enjoy cooling this rig down because I am sweating. Again, that little tiny Orion, when the customer hooks up their 7-pin for their brakes and their lights and everything, they're also going to plug in our Anderson connector that we wired in, and it's taped up right now. It's zip tied up because the customer is going to drive back to Florida before he gets the truck side done for his DC to DC. He's going to hook his rig up to his truck. He's going to get 700 watts thrown from the truck back to the Victron batteries. At the same time, he's going to be getting his solar charging his Victron batteries. Really nice, cool thing for that tiny little Orion to put out that kind of power is pretty awesome, and we're stoked to have that. That's our first one that we've installed, and we're stoked to see how they go. Again, thanks for watching. This is Tom with MYT Solar, 24 RLS titanium. Cheers.